morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Let's see which opportunities we find in this market today. What opportunities we find in this market today? What is the market going to be doing? Market's pulling back a bit. When I'm saying the market, probably SPY, Nasdaq, all the main indexes. But nothing too serious. I mean, like SPY's still holding like high prices, which is like 642, sorry, 42 with 94 cents. So when we look at the 1 minute, this chart is wrong, or this chart is wrong. No, this, yeah, okay, this was the one that was wrong. Okay, so yeah, it's exactly as I say, 642 with 88 cents. And we keep going down. And when we look at the daily, we are quite far yet from the 20 or the 50, so we can keep pulling back down. I don't see why not. That's not necessarily a bad thing. And yeah, let's see what the market wants to do today. Mary, how are you doing today?
I'm doing very well.
Nice.
It's a beautiful day. What a little ride with the market. And what about you? How are you doing?
Pretty good too, pretty good.
Busy weekend?
Yeah, a little bit, but we are working on that to be less busy. Let's say if my boss stopped putting too many things to do during the weekend. So when I say my boss, that's my wife, which like literally a little bit too many things to do during the weekend. So let's see what we do with that. Yeah, so as I say, SPY is really looking good right now. But there's not enough information there. Like at the tape, I can see that there is some volume at around 644, which is about $2, $1.10 above. What's up? Good morning, Zach. How are you doing?
Hey, Zach.
Long time without seeing you there. So yeah. So but yeah, as I say, looking good SPY in general. Let's see where this wants to go. Ooh, nice. Are you trading today? Like, I'm gonna open Discord if ever. Like, I don't know if you are there or not for that, but as it wasn't open, I'm gonna open just in case you show up. Pretty cool. So, yeah. So, Marie, I was saying I lost track of what I was.
You were talking about SPY.
Yeah. Like, what do you see on the tape? That's what I was going to ask you. What do you see on the tape? Like,
Okay, so when I'm looking at SPY, I'm just going to... That's so weird.
Okay, Discord is on. Like, feel free to call me or to, and we get you there. But when if you want to, like, I don't know if you are for that or not, but like, if you want to be there, feel free.
Yes, in trading, he said.
Okay. Perfecto. Yeah, he's calling. Okay. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
How are you doing?
You good, you guys?
Good.
Good, welcome back.
Full day off today.
My way.
Nice, nice.
Okay, now we can hear Zach a little bit better. Yeah, so, sorry, Marie, what were you saying about SPY?
Yeah, so right now, if we're looking at SPY, I'll go back to SPY because I know we're a little bit late. So I just want to go back. Come on, man. There you are. You're so low. Okay, so someone like you, when we've got a stack that would be pulling back to 641.40. That seems to be, and like you said, there's another one that starts at 643.50, which is very, very close to the PCL, and could go back up to 645. Now,
like, I have seen the lines there from last week, like last Friday, and they were given to me by you, like you gave them to me, and it's pretty much the same thing that you are just mentioning.
Right? Isn't that funny? I didn't have 645. What I did have was 644.98 last time, but like you said, right? Very, very. So we're looking at a pre-market high of 647 to a pullback to almost 642. No, wait. That was no sorry. God, I don't have my
well,
2
you say
minutes. Yeah,
6:47.
you're saying like what?
What?
Yeah. No, the PCL 6:43:45. I added in a 30-minute time frame. Sorry about that. So, and the pre-market this morning was 6:42, almost 6:42:05. So, small range for the pre-market. Definitely closer to the pullback. And the RSI is right dead in the middle, so we'll see what happens there. Well, I still held my BBAI. It's pulling back this morning. So, but we still, what a pullback. I'm glad I stayed
BBAI?
firm. Yeah, did you see the pullback right there?
Yeah.
That just happened. Where I'm seeing my
Your
P&L
going up and down.
Whoa. So I said, okay, stay cool. Stay cool.
Yeah, it's like that. Like I see NUP for SAC. Like this came back up again. Like
Yeah, it acts like a low float stock. It's moving a lot. I think it's low float.
yeah, like a little bit like Aurora at some point because like though Aurora is in better quality now. Like it has better flow and all those things. Yeah, share structures wise, it's way better Aurora right now.
Woo,
than this
NVIDIA.
thing.
Woo.
Yeah, Nvidia wants 200 soon, man. Like it's just like.
Wow, NVIDIA looks really good.
Oh yeah, when you're saying
Did
that,
you
when you're saying that
yeah,
Monday,
if
we have to
I
check
say
it out
that,
because it's like
I've been avoiding it like the plague. Wow.
man, like look at that pre-market action. Like this is just beautiful on Nvidia. So I'm probably gonna take some Nvidia, but let's see.
Like the tape looks good. Like I would be interested in NVIDIA. Wow. Okay.
Watch out, market is open in 1
179.
minute and a half, 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Yeah, 179 NVIDIA. I'm even gonna put a little order. I can't believe I'm trading NVIDIA. Shut
But
the
stocks
front
are
door.
pushing too.
Yeah, like
SPR is pushing higher and other stuff.
before you show up,
Less
Zach,
than a minute.
the conversation here was like, there is a like right now the market have been pulling back slightly, but like still holding like very nice prices. So it's going to be today the day that it just come back up strongly, because you have like if you see it have been doing nothing for about 3 days, more than selling and selling. Though we haven't been making lower lows. Well, it made lower low the pre-market Friday, after market Friday, but yeah, like I don't know what are you looking at, Zach?
The usual like
TLDR,
TLTR,
hood.
I did hood, and I have one spot that I don't know. Like I'm looking at Weibo.
Mm-hmm. Weibo, okay, perfect. Market just open.
Have fun, everyone.
Yeah, good luck everybody. I'm gonna go for Nvidia, but I wanna see any pullback there. I am not jumping on Nvidia right away. I'm gonna wait for a nice price. Though probably that's gonna be a miss if you wait too much. What can I see here on the tape?
So I've got 2 orders.
180.
There. Oh my God, am I gonna break even on BBAI finally?
180, yeah, my guy, you're dreaming. Like there is a buyer at 180. Well, you're dreaming. I don't want to be too convinced of that, but look at the media. It's just a big candle there. What is the volume? Oof, this have not much volume to go too high. I really have no volume to go too high. So wait for I'm gonna keep a look at. Maybe I'm gonna go short on Nvidia. I know
That
people
wolf is gonna go without me.
it's looking sweet, but so I drop off an order to go short instead of long on Nvidia. I didn't like the way the volume and like There we go. So I am not rushing any trade at the open, as I say. We have to remember that the volume, the overall volume. I know we are getting to be September soon, and September the volume really drops a lot. But
It does, eh?
yeah, but more than the fact that the volume drops a lot, I have a little order to get some PLTR. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, like we were coming back up and really high volume. So what that means to me is that there we go. We're gonna get some PLTR. We got some PLTR. So what is the volume? PLTR is looking better for the long, and I am going short on it. So it's probably the wrong idea. Let's see. Am I wrong on that? Yeah, that was a mistake. That PLTR. It's not the same than Nvidia. Volume wise, so I'm gonna keep it. As it's doing okay yet. If he falls from there, it's gonna be big. But like even with little sizes like that. But we're gonna see. I should be adding at the 7750, but because I consider it a wrong trade, I won't add.
Okay.
Now we got Nvidia too, so I think that's it for Nvidia. Let's see. Let's see if I am. No, volume is coming back up on Nvidia. Probably I'm gonna be wrong on that one too, but let's see, because that was the interaction. So we have to see a little bit better than the other, but for it to really do anything, it's too early. We don't go with too much sizes in anything now. I just want to see the ideas, and if they end printing, that's gonna be okay. Yeah, as you see, the volume is stalling at the top. Let's see. Okay, volume coming in. Hmm. Man, that tape on Nvidia is looking good. I have an order to be all out of Nvidia, but the volume is. I'm looking at the volume and I'm trying to understand what they are trying to do there. And yes, the volume is dropping, but it's not like doesn't look that good.
No.
Yeah, okay, I got out of Nvidia, and that was zero lost. That's very good. So now I'm just gonna cancel that order, and I want to go the other way. And for me to go the other way, I want to go at this price. Okay. Now I'm looking long Nvidia. And I got convinced of that. Like I'm looking long pretty much at the same price, and I got out.
Okay.
It's just yeah, I should put two orders there, and I'm not used to that, so I get me in at around 82, and I'm gonna be okay with that.
I got in short on the Weibo.
Short in Weibo, perfect.
I'm trying a new thing. Like when they break one of my range aggressively and they retest it, I go the other way. Like I was talking to you.
Okay.
And that hurt it.
Yeah, basically, like when it invalidates one of the two sizes, you are convinced that it's the other thing. If it's not a short, it's a long. That's what you're saying.
Yeah.
So SPY kind of reject. Come on, get me in Nvidia. Okay, so I put it a little bit below because there is a buyer at 75 on NVDA, and I have my order at around 89. There we go. We got it. We got Nvidia. That's pretty cool there. Pretty cool bounce right away, and yeah, very nice entry. Very nice, and I'm gonna be all out of Palantir as well. And the reason for that is because things are saying, I think today is gonna be the day of the big bounce that I was talking about.
Okay.
So if it's gonna be that, I don't wanna be hard headed on the like yeah, I'm gonna make anything. Yeah, like I just wanna be out of Palantir whenever you do another little flush below the PCL. Because the Palantir, yes, it doesn't have the volume. It's not going the way that is. Man, the volume dropped so much on Palantir. Probably I should be adding to the short instead.
It's not even in. Yeah, big volume.
I'm gonna
Drop.
search for a spot for Palantir for me to go short, but not there. Not where I have it. So Palantir, as I say, I went short here. It's not that I think that the short is wrong right now. It's just that I don't have the price that is the price I want. I don't have.
Okay.
Unless I'm gonna double down on that one, which I can do that actually. There we go. I got out with lost again, and now I'm just gonna try to get the right amount of shares at the right price. So and that, like now, unless he wants to flush right away, he flushes right away toward the VWAP. We don't want to get blocked in this, but let's see.
Wow, very, very, very small range. Do we have news today, David?
No, market-wise, no. Like
Okay.
there were no numbers coming out. I did check before, and yeah, no, I didn't see anything there. So I'm gonna add more at the 82 on NVDA. Is that correct? Yeah, well, it's just not offering it anymore. Man, that's a like I'm gonna just try to hold Nvidia. I have no PLTR. I'm gonna just try to hold Nvidia.
Okay.
Nvidia probably 185, easy. So Zach, which one is going to be the first one you're gonna shoot?
I'm in Weeble.
Webull. What is the ticket for Webull? Sorry.
Bull.
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 I was close without the W. Perfect. Okay.
Everything seems choppy today.
Well, if you see a spy, like a spy just went to the like it's trapping between it's you have like you see this is the 242.83 is the 200 moving average for the 1 minute, and the 5 is acting as resistance right now. But I think we can break through the through the 43. Very the 647 you mentioned it, but you had no relevance on it, right? Like on a
The
spy.
what? The spy. Yes, we did have a position there. We had a. We were saying a pullback. Oh, look at that, eh? 642.90. Do you remember that?
642.90.
God, all week last week,
Yeah.
642.90 on SPY was such a big level.
Man, I'm gonna try the long on the on Palantir. Let's put Webull somewhere we can see it.
You're
So-
going what, Zach? Short?
I was short. You got me out.
Okay. No, I'm considering long at 1586.
Yeah, I have 1590. I'll say
Yeah,
decent
I'll
price.
place a, yeah. Long.
I flipped my mind around PLTR, and I want to make sure I didn't do wrong on that. Like, look at the flush on PLTR. It's not looking good.
So SPY now is pumping. We'll see if it gets, like right now, we do have 2 hits on the PCL, but
Okay, this just got me out. And I didn't want to be out today. But, the PLTR to flip was a mistake, as I said. I'm trying to get more Nvidia at 182.
Okay. Wow. 643.50 and still pushing for SPY.
Okay, or you leave PLTR quiet, or you take a decision fast, my guy. Man, just flipping my head on that one was wrong.
On PLTR?
Yeah. I or I search for a good long spot, or I just gonna ignore it probably. What are you trading?
Right now, I'm still
BBAI?
my BBAI is still there. I did take a position on Joby. Wolf is printing, but Joby, I didn't get my Nvidia, so that never came.
It's so crazy because some stocks are going down to like very bad,
And some are just boom
and Spice is going higher and higher. Like Spice is looking very good right now.
across the PCL, the whole 9 yards. So Tesla must be, yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Feeder. Tesla's such a feeder. He feeds the market so bad. Ugh. But good for your trade.
Yeah. My swing trade, yeah. Zach, any trade?
Not right now, but looking for a reversal of the market.
And PLTR have no friends today. PLTR has no friends today.
Yeah, there's news out. People are talking about PLTR, saying that it's overpriced. But really,
We have heard that story before.
yeah, really.
So I have my ad there on Nvidia, and I stay put there. Like, I mean, what I mean staying put is like I haven't changed my mind on that one, and yeah, let's see what it wants to do, and there we go. We're gonna get it probably. Let it print below just for you to confirm that there is people buying it. There we go. We bought it. Okay. Now what? Now you're supposed to go higher. PLTR, I'm gonna walk away just because I flipped my mind on that one, and right now it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. So
Big pull from the market from 643.80. Pulled back $1. Kaboom, just like that. And that's how they do it. Huh.
I got long on PLTR right at the bottom.
yeah, at 74.
73.80.
Look at you. That seems to be a good price. The reason why I gonna ignore it because I flip my head and like
Mhm.
I don't want to lose more on PLTR. I already did bad.
Understandable.
Like you were looking short in bulb, but it manifest, though it gets you out. Uh, were you looking that short because of the long wick at the open?
I have a range from 15.13 to 16 on gold,
Okay.
and it broke it like nothing on the 9.35 candle.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I was looking short.
Okay.
On the 9.36 candle, I got short.
Like rain.
It came back up before.
Ay, ay, ay. Do you still have PLTR, Zach?
Yes.
Okay. You may get the bottom of that. I'm not sure about that, but it looks like that was the bottom.
It gets to give up. That would be awesome.
I don't know if that's your target, but like that's supposed to go higher.
Mhm.
Like in my opinion, it's supposed to go around 176. The VWAP is at 176 or not?
Yeah, exactly that.
Okay. Yeah. I see. Ooh la la. Aggressive sellers in there. Really aggressive seller on PLTR. Who was the one that said that PLTR was too high? Do you know?
I don't remember. No, they didn't say. They just said that there was discussions right now about P. I think it was B. Could it be B? B and N? Oh, come on. Don't make it no, because I am so out of you. No.
it looks worse here. Look, short. I got out because I say no, maybe it's a long,
Oh,
and then whoop, and then I got long actually, and I add to the long, and then I got out.
eh.
No, I didn't add to the long. It's
You
not-
didn't add to the long, you
No,
just
and this is just out, in,
in and
out,
out.
then long again, then out. And here is where around where Zach went long now,
Yeah.
and
Oh,
it's looking concerning there.
oh yeah, 173. It's going to. Shoosh! Look at this tape. How quick it's moving right now.
Yeah.
Quick pull back. Okay, so now SPY has re-entered the range. What about? Yeah, it's below.
Spy?
No, I mean, oh yeah, now it's below. Everything is tanking. Oof. Okay.
I tightened my stop loss like a lot. Let's see if this wants to work or not. The reason why I did that is because it's not manifesting itself. So it's looking good, but I wanted to keep looking good for me to be able to hold it.
Okay.
As the market is like really tanking, I am like almost looking for a short setup, like that I don't have right now. Actually, a short setup, like because Nvidia is looking strong, and like you see that volume there that is at 82. We want to see it walking away. We don't want it then to get filled up, and but they will get filled up probably. No, you say no. You are not getting filled. But let's see. How much cash do you really have? Do you really have?
Okay, so big push from SPY. We are looking right now. Oof. What a push.
Squish, squish.
Do you have the range? Yeah, it's still, everything is still in the range, right? Or what you were looking at in trading?
Yeah, SPY is still within the range. It's actually at the bottom of the range. So is SPY gonna be pulling back up? I don't know. Nvidia, like I'm keeping an eye on the volume on Nvidia. On PLTR, the volume ramp up again, but like it's people freaking out, I guess, because of the sell-off that it have had. So like when we say PLTR, you see, yeah, like I don't see why like a couple like if we look at the tape on PLTR, let's say, we want to see where the bigger seller are right now. Like 174 has some volume, but like it's not big enough. So I will be concerned about any pop from there. But probably to short 174 is still a good idea. He was buying little here, he was buying more there, he was buying even more there. So I guess he's still wrong. Because 73. I'm not sure. SPY really pumped up from the bottom to the middle range. So
I am long on IBIT.
nice.
On the bottom too. Almost the bottom.
Very cool. And look at the volume, how it's ramping up in this thing
Wow.
on IBIT. Yeah, seller seems to be stepping in.
Wow.
No te consigo olvidar. Hey, today is a hard day to be right, you know. No, it's true. Like I mean,
Why did you say that?
it's easy to come. Like Friday was easy short. Like Friday was easy short. Thursday was easy short. But today the market looks like if it wants to go back up, and that's why I was asking the open. Like, do you think that the market will go higher today, or like when I say it's trying to go higher, it's really not going higher yet because we are just hammering all those moving average here in the 1 minute. But if you look at the 5 minute, we haven't went away either. Like I mean, that we have to clear up this section here. Once we clear up that section, like once we clear this here, and probably that one too, I don't know, like I am more and more giving way to that one, but let's say we're gonna ignore that pink line right now, and then when we clear this, we can, okay, you know what, the market really wants to go long. And yeah, the reason for that is because like the other days, if you look at SPY, like for example, this was Friday, like Friday, look how we rejected. And we have been rejecting that from the pre-market, so we reject all that, and like it was clear downtrend. So when you take something like PLTR, this is still Friday. If you see, it was just all the way down. Then it popped to the 50, all the way down again. Not even to the 50, to actually the 20 something. So, but yeah, what I'm saying is that today might be the day that the profit taking or whatever selling is going on is done. And because of that, it's gonna be a little bit harder to determine the decision, like the direction. Like right now, let's see, like Zach, like are you still looking at Webull? Webull. I have to.
But it's
Look at that price here. You see, that's why I say I give it more weight. That's a 400 moving average, and like. Normally, when it bounces from there, it if you have any range around here, like I don't know, like in your system.
What price? Sorry, I don't see.
Like right now it's 1561, the moving
I
average,
have a range. Yeah.
and the actual price is 1571. So when I look at the tape for bull, there is a decent buyer at around 1500, but like hopefully it doesn't get there. Yeah,
But if you go on the 1 minute chart, it's really ugly, the price action.
yeah, I see like it's less buyers that are coming in. Yeah, like, I don't know what is gonna happen to these people in the long term because of Tesla road taxi overtaking everything. So
For Webull?
yeah, like sorry, like Tesla literally like yes, they last longer working their algorithm and their AI and all those things. But they came out and in 2 weeks they were doing things that Weibo was not doing with the many years he had working.
Mm.
So, and,
Well, I think the resources are probably different too, right?
yeah. Yeah, but it's not like, because we will have like, and Uber too, like, Zach knows a little bit better than me about Weibo, but like, I think they still have a lot of cash.
Mm-hmm.
So,
I think you miss like Weibo. You know, it's like Robinhood in Canada.
like, Weibo, I got you. Oh, like, I'm talking about Waymo. Man, like, what a miss. Very far. Yeah.
I knew you were talking about Waymo. I didn't know the name.
Yeah, you are in that group of
Yes,
people
okay.
that know what I'm saying. Even if others doesn't understand. I got you.
Yeah, it's a trading platform that came out
Yeah, like a couple years ago, I
2 years
remember.
ago, a couple years ago.
I actually have an account with them because of the SIM they have for the options.
Yeah, same.
That Nvidia trade is a very low risk trade for me, but it's testing my patience for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like. And of course, we call it out. We call out the Nvidia way earlier. It's just
Oh, I never got it. My order's still there.
yeah.
I said I would like to get it at 179 long because I said, oh my God, this is so good. No, it left without me.
Like I am basically buying the bottom of the range, but like I bought here.
Okay, yes,
and
yes,
here.
yes. Oh, yeah, to execute our whiteboard session last night, right?
Yeah, exactly. But if
Top,
you
long,
if you
top.
lost it, it's okay. I have no trades. So
Are they on drugs? They're saying that Wall Street believes that we would be able to get not only a 25%, a quarter cup cut on the rate. Not only half a rate, 3/4 of a rate, of a percentage on the rate on the next. Holy cannoli. They've been fighting for a quarter, and now they believe that they're changing.
Yeah.
They're going to change feds for that to happen. There's no way Powell's going to bring it down 3/4 of a percentage.
I think he will bring it that 1/4%.
Oh yeah, I believe a quarter.
Yeah.
But 3/4?
Because
3/4?
I think it's just a
No
way
way.
to ease.
Oh God, just shut them up.
Yeah.
Never ease, just shut them up.
It's just a way to say, you know what? I did 25. Be quiet.
Yeah, back off.
Be quiet, Karen. You know because. Yeah. I'm doing my job. I have done good.
Exactly. Back it.
It's
up.
funny because if you know, like,
Back up the bus.
he's one of those people that pay the highest interest in those things because of
Oh, for sure.
his model of business. Like, so
Oh yeah, it has nothing to do with the little people.
you know, like you're hurting my company, you know.
Absolutely, I'm paying a fortune in interest. Back up the bus.
Like that was something I was impressed like at the very beginning when I started like reading things about trading. That is like I don't know if it's like 80% of the companies on the state, the company that begin to do business and things like that. These people is not their money. They have a big bank or they have a big investor that is but like almost nobody's going out there with their own money and say like this is it, like, you know. So like I'm like what is the relevance of that comment? It's like you or me, or I can talk maybe just by me. Like I say, oh, I need to have enough money to make my business, instead of I'm gonna go and collect money from the bank or from whoever to make my business. Like, I mean, yes,
Most people, I would have to say, very rarely in Canada and in the States,
Mm-hmm.
you use the money or the collateral that you have to get the loan, but you wouldn't use your own money.
There's money that I wouldn't compromise. Let's say, like if I will have any money, like, or if I have any money, there is a X amount that I will say that is not compromisable for anything.
Okay.
But maybe that's a mistake, you know. Like, I mean, we have to learn from with time to time, so we keep learning every day. Probably in the long term, like, because yes, I'm okay using the collateral. Like, I'm totally okay using collateral. But like, it will be knowing that if that collateral fail, still that quantity there is okay.
Mm-hmm.
You know. Hey, you have to have something to live with, you know.
Oh, for sure. You go camping.
You go camping.
Yeah, you can go move. You can come and move with us.
It's still very expensive to buy the wood at the campsite, you know. It's like
We got tons in the back.
$10 to $13 for each
Oh,
bag.
you should have. Yeah, you wouldn't have had space in the car to bring some wood.
No, yeah, like when we go along, yes, but yeah, last time we barely fit. So Zach, you got a day off you alone, or is a provincial day off, or what?
Oh, just me.
Just you?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Kind of like I started way earlier than the other years,
Mm-hmm.
and I finished like 2 weeks later.
Yeah.
I'm like a bit tired of working there. I mean.
Yeah.
But,
Did you enjoy it?
yeah, for sure. But I was
Learning a
time
lot.
for school to start back. Even though school is hard,
It's not as work.
mhm.
And like your brain is more active because I'm pretty sure at your job you already are like in a little bit of repeating mode.
Yeah,
Like you already
different
know your
every
job.
day, but
What was that?
it's different jobs every day.
Ah, okay, okay. Oh, that's cool.
Excellent.
Man, everything is
we-
in, yeah.
We had a really warm summer.
Yeah.
For a couple of weeks, I was just,
Tired and dying.
dying of overeating and things like that.
Yeah, it's crazy.
You remember the temperature in the summer at work where Davy
Yeah,
works?
yeah.
Yeah, it was very hot like 2 weeks ago. Last week was better, I guess. But like what happened today? Like I mean like what was that this morning? Like it was like 12 degrees.
Yesterday too.
It's like does that supposed to happen?
I went to play golf
Oh,
yesterday morning.
okay.
And it was freezing.
Ay, ay. So just a call out for stocks things like basically Nvidia here. You see that like that's the ABCD pattern. I will say like let's say this is A, this is B. Now the trade I have here is waiting for C.
What about the tape?
So yeah, the tape is very congested there at the ask. Like it's looking good, but it's congested for sure. But then what I want to show, look at Tesla. Big pop, bigger range for sure. And what else did the same thing? INTC was that one? No, INTC is tank at the open.
Wow, tanked and then bounced.
Yeah, and then bounce back. INTC, that's just one.
And for me, what I like about INTC, it's underneath the PCL.
I don't want to be too positive about INTC because just I don't know enough about them and like it having like a
It's
punching
been
bag.
getting a lot of deals. That's why it's keep going higher
But
and higher.
that's what I would
a
like.
lot of contracts.
What I was going to say is related to that. Like this thing might be done with the worst time of it. Like you know that time when we went to 19, 20 something, like maybe it will pull back a bit, but I think that this thing is back on track to the buying. Like I mean, take it with a big grain of salt or like be skeptical about it, just research it. But this could be a good long probably. Of course, I wouldn't get it at this price because now it's well extended. But long term wise, probably this is a play.
Remember how weak every single day, every day.
But
Zach,
it has a couple
every
days that
day.
it turn, like right, like you feel
Yeah,
the same.
well,
It feels stronger. We are trading it, and you feel that there is some strength. on
Every
it.
day I was putting an order in with the biggest bid every day to keep it overnight, and it never got me. It was so bullish, it never got me. I couldn't believe it.
Okay, PLTI is in its way up now. That's a big candle in the 5 minute for the buying. Like so, that seems to be legit. So like, look at this candle here, the one I'm talking about. This green candle here, the way it did engulf that candle, is looking very interesting. So I'm probably gonna take some PLTR long.
Okay.
But I have to find my spot there because I don't want to go just at any price. So Nvidia is killing me, man, killing me. This is a trade for the day. Like I mean, I can hold Nvidia for the day very quiet. I just have to make sure I don't hold it overnight like I did PLTR the other day, which went well, but yeah, still not the right thing to do. So Oh my goodness, Nvidia! What was that volume that ramp up in there?
Okay, we just got SPY going kaboom. RSI just curled back up with a little bit of intent there. Let's go BBAI.
Look at the build up in the volume on NVDA. And now we are surpassing relative volume there. Relative volume is increasing by a lot. Okay. Can you go higher?
Whew! Let's go SPY.
Do you think SPY can make a sprint to 647?
Let me look at the.
I'm kidding. I probably
Hey.
will.
Hey. Oh, do you want to make a bet?
No, it's okay. You kicked my butt so many times already that Friday, Marie won the bet by 25 cents on the SPY.
Yes, the one.
I should say like that day, instead of me saying like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go pre-market after market, because after market it did hit my price.
Mm-hmm.
But I
Yeah,
say
what
don't
did
do
we
4.
say? Yeah, we said 4. Yeah.
Yeah, and the price was my price was 42.36 or 42.25, something like that. And he did it after the market closed, but no, it's not true. He didn't did it. He didn't do it after the market closed. He did it he did it today,
Mm.
like pre-market today. He did it. Oh my goodness.
What a pop. What a pop. Is it going to make a new. Wow, a new high SPY. Let's go.
It has a lot of things to clear, but it's clearing the spot I was mentioning probably. Yes, it is trying to. Oh my goodness. That's looking good. Looking very good.
New high.
My IBIT doesn't move fast, but still printing.
Nice. Let's look at that. Yeah, it's probably waiting too. What price did you get? Like around here, like I guess.
Shoo.
Yeah, it's looking clean, man. That IBIT is looking clean.
65.23.
Yeah, you're like pretty well on that one. Like very nice.
I took a half at the VWAP, it was falling a bit. Pumping.
Very nice. What do you have, Marie? INTC and BBA. The BBA is gonna be every day until he gets you. So INTC, yeah, that one is looking good too.
Look at SPY at that level. It's going to cross it. RSI is too healthy. Oh, come on, BBAI. Come on. So I can stop trading you.
I think you're gonna fall in love with BBA and it's just gonna be part of your life.
No. No.
It's one of those names I think he's gonna go very high too.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna look back and we're gonna say, what?
Bull is at the view up.
Yeah, bull, like, I'm gonna show you this act, but low relevance, like just, Yeah, you see the 5 minute here? Like, when I say low relevance, just take it with a big chunk of salt and like, look at the 400. Look at this wick here. And then having pump, like just going higher. So I don't know why, to be honest. Like maybe some people already use the 400. We have been using
400 EMA.
yeah, SMA. We have been using it for about 6 months, and I can tell you, it's if it's still on the bottom, like below the 200, like because the 200 has to be on top for this to happen. Like if it's the opposite, I will be more skeptical. But I don't know. Sometimes it does work. Like it's crazy. And it's in the 5 minute. Because the 1 minute got crushed. But again, the fact that in the 1 minute, the fact that it's below the 200 is, we'll say, still a bullish setup. To which extent, we don't know. You don't want to see those guys crossing each other. Nvidia is stalling at the top, and we know that the tape was very congested. That price, but I just didn't want to go against it because it has
What a pullback.
high relative volume.
So SPY's pulling back. Not only didn't even slow down at the PCL, might just be going straight to the VWAP. Here it is there.
Just keep on perspective that it made a higher high.
Exactly at the level that I said was the top. We'll see.
Oh my goodness.
I'm short Weibo.
Okay.
I have a double range on right on VWAP. I think it will reject it.
Okay. I have an order to go long PLTR. My order is at 173.72.
Oh wow. No, 173.72 first, and it could go back up to.
Yeah, I'm counting on probably 76.
Well, the PCL.
Yeah, that would be ideal, but like, this is it's very
Oh,
very
yuck,
volatile.
I yucked you.
Wolf, yeah, got you out the break even and then ramp
Then
up.
moved. Blah.
Zach said that he went short on bull.
Yeah, I went long on bull at the VWAP.
Hey,
We'll see who wins.
Yeah, but I got out already.
Oh, okay.
You win.
yeah, that probably gonna go to $17.
Bull.
Yeah, very high chance that it will go to $17. I don't know if today, but
Well, it went free
the
market.
participation is there for sure. Now every time I go to the my walk or whatever, like and I see people in boats, I just think about Zach. and especially like this when I told
In
you I went,
boats?
yeah, like they go by boat there apparently sometimes. So, but like there was somebody doing the thing you do with your board in the water, like
Wakeboard?
surfing. Yeah,
Recording.
yeah. That was Saturday morning.
Nice.
One day I'll make you try, my guy.
It seems to be hard. I see that people release the core after.
Yeah, that's I don't have a boat for that.
Okay.
But when like there's boats like that cost one, like 100,000 and 150,000.
They do the wave.
They do so like they're able to put weight in the back, like they suck in water in the boat
Mm-hmm.
to put more weight in the back, so they do a bigger wave, so you're able to like surf it without.
Yeah, it sits lower in the water.
Yeah, like the
My
one.
boat is just that was surfing. My
Mhm.
boat only do wakeboarding, so you need the
The
cable.
core. Okay. Pretty cool.
Still pretty fun.
Yeah. No, and the boat I see, I think is way smaller than the one you guys have.
Right? If you saw a boat that does surf wave, it should be bigger. But
It was smaller. I'm sure it was smaller.
okay.
But like I was walking in the thing and like I saw the guy like because I saw they were not doing that and like but I was just walking so the lake is pretty so I saw he got the cable and like they start going boom, and then I see that he throw the cable to the people inside the boat and I said what now he like lost it or whatever and then I see that he was just following the boat like pretty cool stuff.
No kidding.
Some of those boats, the guy in the back has a watch, and he can control the shape of the wave and things like that.
What?
Yeah. Crazy.
Wow.
hmm You can control the music that comes. Because they have on the tower, they have speaker that blow towards him.
Mm-hmm.
You can control the music, the shape of the wave, the side of the wave,
That's
the
so
side you want
cool.
it to be.
So the one that win the lottery first.
There we go.
But that's like the Lamborghini of boats.
Oh yeah.
Like that. Yeah. It's like 300,000.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, like
The way you know about boats, I think that that's something that you're going to be buying, Zach.
Maybe.
Yeah,
The Porsche first, but
yeah. I saw a gorgeous one that was convertible this weekend. I couldn't believe it.
yeah, it's blue
Oh,
grayish.
yeah, yeah,
He
exactly.
just moved around.
And smoke gray.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
apparently he live around the daycare.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
there's
Holy
always
cow.
one in where you walk, where you go do
Yeah,
bike.
a dark brown grayish.
It's a Carrera 4S.
Mm-hmm. Carrera.
But that the one you say, that guy cut me off. And like it's like my guy, I have a BRC, you know, like you have a Porsche. And for sure, like he's a mature guy, like he's a
Yeah, he's a lawyer, I think.
like but yeah, but he just like he improperly went in front of me and it's like
He was challenging you.
I don't know if that was what he meant, but like I say no, it's good. It's I know what you have in there, you know.
I know what's under the hood.
Under the front.
On the back.
The back.
The trunk.
Yeah, it's not. It's true. It's not even under the hood. It's under the trunk. It's motors on the back.
So quick comment here. SPY is like it did a higher high, it did a lower low. So freak you out, man. Like I mean, like how do you supposed to say this is gonna go up or down?
These were my two
Yeah,
levels.
I really have the two lines right there.
Right there.
To me, this is still looking long, but like PLTR, for example, PLTR is just gonna get me out right there, and I will be served by that. It's okay. I just don't touch PLTR. Like I was believing in the long at first, but time I go short, they just get me out. So, how do you say, piece of crap? So, but yeah, about Nvidia, Tesla,
Popping
SPY,
up again.
I will say it's still long. In Nvidia, I haven't taken any profit or anything, but
on.
like,
Come on.
but it's I think it's not the move. That's the first thing, and the second thing is I have very low risk on that trade.
Come on. I
I
am
moved my
calling
stop loss.
upon my grain of sands to get me out of BB.
You have to do like this and invoke it and say, "Hey
Yeah,
guys,
I
manifest yourself."
evoke.
Evoke,
like-
yeah.
I'm evoking my grain of sands. Ay, 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 to get me out of BBAI. That's like, what, over a week now?
Yeah, you held them through earnings.
I had a full position overnight, Zach.
On BBAI, the day
When
of the
it-
earnings.
The day of it, that it came out with the worst earnings that they've ever seen. And overnight on the full position, I lost $2 and something.
Uh-huh.
And I still have it since last Tuesday. And right now
But
I'm
you re-
almost breaking even.
Yeah, she recuperated everything.
I said,
It
Dyke,
didn't drop.
I took
It
it
didn't
at
drop,
$6.98 overnight.
No, that's what she's saying. It dropped on her and she lost like a lot. But like, well, she
Cost $2
yeah,
per
like
share.
she recuperated everything. But
On a
like,
full position.
yeah,
$2 per share.
$2.38 per
for
share.
sure, yeah.
Okay.
On a
I
I thought you
full
were saying that you
position.
lost overall.
No, yeah.
No, I
Well-
kept it. I de-risked. So what I did is, as on the tops, I was de-risking, and then when it was on the bottom, I was adding to my position, de-risking, adding. So I bettered my price every day, and I've been keeping it for the whole week, and now I'm practically breaking even. So I didn't lose that money. I didn't panic. I stayed in it. And oh my God! And now I'm at the practically the finish line. But that amount that I would have lost if I would have got out, whoo, doggy, that would have been something else.
So
Yeah,
was it a
it's-
mistake that to hold it overnight?
Yeah, she didn't. It was on purpose, but she didn't know that they were reporting earnings.
No. Because I've been trying to do that every night. I've been taking a position and seeing how it goes, really looking at the great price. That's why INTC, I've been seeing it as a long, all week last week, but every day putting it in the biggest bid, or even front running it 5 cents sometimes, not even close. Never gets me. So I'm like, oh God. this
Now,
is
one of the
killing me.
checklist item is: does he have earnings today?
Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah. But come on. I'm very, very pleased to where I brought. This is what my loss are right now.
Yeah,
Right?
it's pretty cool. Like,
It's not even 10% of what I had. So,
and like there are stocks that you wouldn't be able to do that because like they just don't come back.
yeah.
You know, but,
Like a Rivian or a.
hey, what you have against Rivian? Rivian is cool.
Yeah, one of my friends from school, I remember from Cégep, bought Rivian like super high when they were saying that it was the next Tesla.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find the ticker. Yeah, RIVN. They bought it like at the in the 20s or 30s,
Ay, ay, ay.
Oi!
and at one point he lost like even higher. at one point he showed me his account and he had a loss of like 90%.
Hey.
That hits.
Yeah. Bad.
It's like people that bought Neo.
That's what I meant.
Like this thing. Let's see. Look at that. That was at $67 per share. Neo.
And now it's
And now it's
$5.
$4,
Oh,
$5.
God.
I'm having at $3 something. So $2 something, $3, 280s.
We could say that the EV market was a bubble in that time, no?
I guess so, yeah.
Because Rivian has better fundamental today than it has. It was just the hype.
Yeah, exactly. They were pushed on
We
properly.
thought it was the next Tesla. EO, I guess too.
Like the only thing is that with Tesla, from the beginning, like I mean, from very long ago, and you hear this in even in investors community, and it's that Tesla, when it's doing very bad, is treated as a car company, as a company that make cars, like a car company, automotive. But when it's doing good,
It's an innovation.
it's a technology. You know, it's like a high tech whatever. It's like, so pick your side. And like Elon Musk have been openly to that, like very open to, hey, Tesla is not just a car manufacturer thing. It's and you see now with the robot thing, and like, I got out of Nvidia.
It's
And,
innovative. Right?
Yeah, like the reason why they were able to do all what they did is they push many of this technology to horizons that were unlikely. So unlikely to be seen in another car company. Like look how Ford is using their chargers, and like in the long term, the AI or their driving system is gonna be offered for other companies.
Oh, I'm sure. As a
That-
base, right?
Yeah, like that
And
have
then
been
they can
always
press-
in,
yeah.
in part of the deal. So
Okay, you need to go back at 597.
so I'm gonna wait. None of my trade have worked today. I mean, the one that I didn't take partial. I know that was my mistake, but like still okay. I wasn't willing to. Any trade I take is gonna be. I'm gonna try to figure out like what the heck this thing wants to do. No, Spy like look, Spy is right in between the range, like very. It's at the choppiest spot that it could be. So if I'm gonna take a trade, I wanna make sure that I take it at the spot that is either down or either up, and then I try to go the other way.
Yeah, because look how tight the range has been, right? Right
Yeah.
in there.
Yeah, like a Spy really yucky. to
Right
me.
in there.
Bull is pulling back now.
Bull?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm expecting a giant boom or out.
Oh, you're in bull yet. Got you.
Pulling back now to the open for SPY.
Mm-hmm. That's a problem. Like that's like if you look at Nvidia or you look at Tesla, that's a roof that falls into themselves. SPY really tanking right now. Breaking the bottom probably.
Okay, 642.50 was a big. We'll see. Yeah, but it goes through that with butter. Okay, interacting 642.50, and again, seems to be butter. Oh, got me out.
I went short Nvidia instead of long.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you went short?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
181.13. I expect some continuation of the down move that is going on with SPY. The volume is rising up while we are falling down, so this thing is going to go to 180, and if it doesn't bounce clean from 180, I'm gonna just be all out. There is a 500 lot right there, plus another 200, so a 700 lot at 180.
And that's Nvidia.
Yeah, that's Nvidia.
Hmm.
Man, somebody should be here explaining just for the fun of it, like what the heck is SPY doing, my guy? Like,
Respecting my levels.
yeah, but unless you were dropping an order there
Look at
and like
that.
forgetting
And
about
yeah,
it, it's like,
and boom, boom. And you know where those levels come from.
yeah, I know.
Like, that's incredible.
Zach, any trade? IBID yet?
Still on IBID. I had it at 65.27.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see how it goes. Because I took a partial before at VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
Had it back
Okay.
near the bottom. I would like to see it at the IF today.
Spy around the opening.
If you go check on IBIT,
Mm-hmm.
look at the volume spike at 10:49. You know what that means? On the 1 minute.
10:49. Wait for right there. Ooh la la. Oh yeah, that's very bullish.
Mhm.
I don't know exactly what it means, but like what you mean by that. But the reason why I see it is because this is like okay, it bounce. This is a higher low, and the higher low just somebody jumping in and buy more. So, uh, what were you going to say about that?
I have a range right where it bounced.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So it might be like someone seeing that it bounced from there and buying.
Pretty cool stuff.
Insane.
But I was wondering if it was like capitulation volume.
That I wouldn't say it's capitulation volume because that was with the move toward the upside. But like for sure, he set a ton there. Like I don't think it's gonna go below there.
Did you see Spy?
It's a headache.
By doing the zigzag.
Going back to the PCL, crossing everything. In one. Like lost it all in two and gaining it all in three. Incredible. Don't reject.
Let's look at the
PCL.
volume. Like yeah, like
No, 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 no.
in my opinion, this is gonna be making lower lows. A spy. But like the reason why I say that is because it hurts a lot the confidence of the overall participant when it does that.
Mm-hmm.
So unless Donald is buying it alone and he have the power to buy it, I'm kidding. We don't know if Donald buy it or
He's
not. That
calling
was
his
just
peeps.
a joke. But what I'm saying is like yeah, the selling that happened here it will hurt a lot of the confidence of people. So many people that were long now they won't be jumping long or they won't be even taking any trades. And that includes people that trade at firm. So
Yeah, that makes sense, Stevie.
so that's why I went short on Nvidia and like maybe the wrong name to go short because it was the strongest one. But if it's not a long with that volume and all that crap in there, it's like
Nothing is.
yeah, like exactly like it was the best one.
Brr.
Bear, yeah, it's true. We have a bear now. Bear.
Brr.
But yeah, let's see. I think Nvidia gonna need to print 180 before printing higher, but just imagine that you were that buyer on Nvidia at the open. Imagine that. Now you bought here and you made this push.
Yeah. That's a kaboom, eh?
Like now my guy is like
Well, my order is exclusively.
it's everybody that got loaded up here plus whatever bought it there. So
Mm-hmm.
or probably that was just the liquidation of that. We don't know. Probably that buyer is already playing golf. Ball bounced pretty good. Yeah, I bet.
It's pumping.
Yeah, you got something good on Ibid, I think. Because of that volume that you look at it there. Look at that thing. Look at that Ibid.
Woo!
He got the bottom on that thing.
Yeah, bottom took partial at VWAP, reloaded near
Good
the bottom.
call.
So you should take a picture of that tray and put it on your somewhere you can
On my
see
wall?
it.
That's almost $1 move.
Yeah, somewhere you can see it as a good trade that you took that you
It's
did
not $1, it's more
like 40 cents.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
almost 50. I'm taking partial there. Yep.
Okay, so the PCL is serving as a level of resistance right now. Whew, look at those candles.
I know you almost cannot see it because of how it is, but look at this. This is pretty interesting thing. And you say, oh, chopped up for sure, but look at this. Fortunately, we don't have a chart for that one here, but like this moving average here
Mm-hmm.
is a 200 in the 1 minute, and this is a 200 in the 5 minute.
Wow, look at that.
With the exceptions here
Oh,
and
that.
here.
Hmm.
So why do I have more faith for the short yet? It's a longer period moving average, the 5 minute,
Mm-hmm.
that is fighting with the 1 minute. So 5 minute over 1 minute is stronger toward the downside. And this week here, like when we were here, it was okay, but after that week, I say, this guy is very nasty. Whoever is playing there is just flushing it very bad. So, but tomorrow I'm expecting a SPY to be above that for good.
Okay.
Just like today, the seller is really aggressive. Like, and now maybe it's gonna go now. I don't know. Like, I have been clearly wrong or taking bad trades. So
Like
So
today, I
close.
started trading at 9:30,
mm-hmm.
but you remember what I was
Usually
saying?
it
I
was
need to
10.
start trading
Mm-hmm.
near 10.
Yeah,
I need to keep doing that because
you make a
before
difference.
10 I had like 3 trades wrong.
Mm-hmm.
After 10, like it was better.
Davey.
Yes. Mary's coming. She's really flat already at
For BBR.
BBAI.
I'm almost. Let's make money. Oh, BBAI. Oh my God, that was such a sweat. Ay, ay, ay. Look at SPY again.
Yeah, it has been annoying. Could you imagine that would be every day? But at least it's not. This is just more often during Trump, but
Mm-hmm. Well, you know, they are at Jackson Hole today, right?
Jackson Hole is today?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What the heck I'm doing trading?
I checked and I think
I
it's
thought
the
it was-
22.
Wasn't it today?
Yeah, it's at 2, no, Zach?
I searched for it and I saw that it was the 22 of August. So Friday, I think. But they're talking about that right now, like before.
Yeah, it's from August 21 to August 23. Okay.
But I think
Oh,
because we are the
See?
week of that, it's affecting the market.
okay.
Yeah, I see a lot of news on that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's why I thought it was happening. Because that's all they talk about.
Yeah, but it does begin like because normally at around 2 during Jackson Hole meeting, like at 2 something, because there are a couple interesting things that get released there. Like yeah, let's see. Yeah, like what I say, like the volatility spike a lot during those meetings. So, like if I'm not mistaken, last year was like PLTR was one of those names that was doing funny move
Okay.
during those meetings. So SPY rejected 143, the 643.50 by the penny. So yeah. I'm gonna keep believing in the force here, so let's see. Like I will say, during this administration, double bottoms have been made to be broken. So, I guess Nvidia did a double bottom there. SPY did one. No, not today. Like, yeah. Baby. La 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 la.
Marie should sing Baby AI. La, 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 la.
Baby, what?
AI.
Baby AI.
Baby. Oh, you're funny. Na, 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 na.
You miss those bad jokes, eh?
Especially when you are talking about the
Good.
Kias.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Hey.
a hot topic, but
Hey. Hey. My car's working well. Actually, no, it's making sounds, dude. You know, you rode it too blithely in the camping.
Yeah, your muffler is about to be checked.
You went off road.
Yeah. Well, it was sounding before, but I'm pretty sure that those trips will contribute to that. Like, no, for sure. Because it's bumpy everywhere. Like, you know, it's a bad road. So, like, what did I tell you last week? One of the days. And you say, no, it's okay. You know, it's
Okay. I talk like that.
you. You just tell me when, and we do it. Like,
You're
it's
hilarious.
I'm there for that. You know. So.
I think we will have to look at it.
Yeah.
When it starts up, it makes a lot of noise.
I'm gonna mute this for just a little.
Yeah, it was near Pont Alonso. I don't remember the name. The right when you go through Pont Alonso, there's a you ride like 5 minutes and there's a little shop on the right. I don't remember the name. I'm short on the Ibit.
Sure, yeah, I saw the big wake that he made at the Open, which is 65.72.
Look at Hood go.
I look at it when before the Open, but no, not before the Open. When Zach show up, I look at Hood and it wasn't looking that good, you know. So I say let's leave this one quiet. But clear, like that's a V shape, very nice V shape.
Look at QBTS. Same exact V shape.
Did you trade QBTS last week?
No.
No, because you have a long time, I think, without touching it.
Well, it's been in that dollar range. I know, hey, yeah, a dollar is a dollar. But it's been caught. Like the 17 has really been a very, very either support or resistance level. And, you know, swimming back to 1650, 17, 1725. So it hasn't been really escaping like it used to, ranging the $2. So, but you're right. I used to trade QBTS almost every day, right?
I'm gonna take a look at this. Okay, in the weekly it looks distinct, but because it went to 14 apparently, 14 something.
And look at our GTI, same thing.
It's funny, both of them went up below 14. What? Why does two things look so similar?
Weird, eh? That's our GTI.
Like I literally went to look at
And it's practically identical. QBTS.
QBTS, yeah, QBTS. Like, but this is a weekly chart. Like, if you look at the weekly chart here, and then you look at the like, this is the 14. Like, basically, if I say for QBTS, it did this like V shape here, and the bottom of it is like around 14. Look at the RGTI. Wait for it. I have to escape and then RGTI. Yes, it's lower, but it's the same thing. You'll see. It's
Yeah, around it and
here.
Boop.
No, that one. Sorry, my bad. The one I was looking was this
That
one.
one. 14.
So, for a short period of time, they have been looking very similar.
That's another one that's interesting. And it was on my watch. Anchor.
Angry, yeah.
I like the way that it's behaving.
I'm gonna take a little look at Amat. Just because I told you that it's a stock that we wanna keep around, you know. Yeah, look at the flush.
Look at a Riot.
Riot, yeah. If Riot is there, probably Mara is also.
Well, I bit.
Yeah, but IBIT is still below the $70, so it's Mara is not having a good day now. What the heck happened to Mara? No, Mara is having a good day. Oh yeah.
A big pullback, but
I just put in contrast the selling on Tesla. Look at Tesla. Like Tesla, back to like, well, it never sold. It never hung.
it crossed a PCL and that was it. Never brought back. Huh.
Well, then BDA did do that.
Yeah.
Man, I now I'm gonna be making the a pond there where I will be believing in the force. Because in SPY is just like it's harassing to across that level there, but like harassing. I don't know how to say that correctly. But but yeah, SPY is right there. Look at that. Like if you have a line from here like this, like well even before. Actually, let's just go in the actual time frame. Look at the 5-minute 200 moving average. It's a declining one. Yes, it's curling back up. I agree. But that's what I was saying. Like, and the 1 minute is right on top here. So right now we are below the two. No, we are not. Yes, we are. We are below the 200 moving average in the 1 minute. So what I'm saying here, this is a 5-minute. So 5-minute moving average is more powerful than 1 minute moving average. So we have the 5 on top, and that's why I keep believing in my short. Though I unfortunately didn't clear up that one before the market opened because I was a bit distracted. But look at PLTR. Like when PLTR was hammering this price here, right here, like in the 1 minute, I think it looks a little bit more clear. Like if you look, this interaction here, really flat there. And when I look at the volume, I think the volume is not looking like a long. But it's okay. It's Monday, I guess. The fact that I haven't hit block today yet is a good thing. So I would like to see Nvidia printing 180 just to see if the buyers is still there or not. Because I see a big buyer at the 180, but sorry, that doesn't mean that big buyer is gonna stay there forever.
Almost out of BBI.
with that thing you did with BBAI, it just say to me that sometimes we do overreact to some trades.
Absolutely. Right?
So
Your first reaction is to press the sell button,
yeah,
right?
and then when you decide to deal with it, like of course, as I say, like you have
Then
to
you
be
trade your
careful what name it is.
P&L, right? Oh, yeah, you're right.
But there have to be a sweet spot between your P&L and the setup.
Okay.
It's a good setup. It's okay. You took a good setup. So don't freak out when you go against you.
You remember that morning
Oh yeah.
of opening the computer and like,
She opened her computer and I looked at it and said, oof, what the heck happened there?
Ooh, boy.
But yeah. She's doing her homework. Kansas City. Una piedra en el camino. Era rodar y rodar. Like you're not playing golf today?
Maybe. Maybe a 9 hole today.
Yeah, like the day seems to be good for that.
I went yesterday. Pretty nice. We'll see about that.
I have been thinking a lot about golf. Like, not because I wanted to play it, but it's more because of, like, in my first contact with golf, I say like, oh, this is a very boring game. Like, who the heck want to play golf? And then I say like, okay, how much distressity and how what about the technicality of it? Is that technical? Like, you're really just kicking a ball and things like that, and like I know the comment is a very ignorant comment, but like that the reflection is about that. It's like, is golf one of those games that is for like, how do you say that? Like, who normally play golf? A person that is wealthy, or like they do a lot of events that are golf related to collect money, to do funderize and things like that. Foundations,
Fundraisers.
yeah, exactly. So it's like so it does have its place, and like after I watched the documentary in Netflix, like, hey, it is very technique game, and like I have Zach there talking to.
And
But-
very lucrative.
Yes,
if you're
it-
good at it, you're a pro.
Yeah,
Like, we're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars.
yeah. But like it's still like a very like
If you're really good, then you're millions, but
like, for example, you still have to have the personality to play that game. Like, what I mean is like you are walking from one hole to the other, and like basically what I'm saying is like yes, when you have so limited information about it, like you don't understand it, but look how like it's like a more complex system behind like everything, like you say, oh, I'm gonna go good into trading in 3 months, and then it's like, oh, it's it took me a couple of years probably to or it took anybody, like, I mean, it would take anybody a couple of years to get good at it. Like, I'm not saying I'm good at trading, but what I'm saying is like golf is the same. Like, I mean, limited information is like you don't understand a heck of the game. It's just like it looks very simple, but it has its complexity as anything. But at the same time, if you're gonna play golf, like the fact that you hear me saying that it's board game, or that at some point for me it was a board game, is like,
A boring.
boring game. It's like it's just the lack of information and like.
And the thing is, like a lot of people never played golf.
Mm-hmm.
They just went to hit balls. Playing golf is like freaking different. Like,
Yeah.
you know, you went to hit balls. You had never played on the real field,
Mm-hmm.
like with all the aspects of the game together. Like,
It's very, very technical. Like, I had the same as you. And when I played it, I played it just because of fundraisers at work, exactly. Like, I never played a game outside of that. And I had a good long game and a good putting. But the technical part that's between that Zach is talking about, which when you need to your short game as an example, like that you're using your wedgers and man, do I suck. Whew. Really, really, really bad. Like my short I need a big golfer or a very small. Anything in between. Ay. My shoulders, I thought I was going to pop them out. Just hitting the ground with full on with a wedge. Oh boy. Yeah, no. This ain't good.
Like I don't remember where I saw that, but like I know I see like there is a weird shot that it makes like the ball like go back like this.
backspin.
Is the backspin called? I don't know. Like,
Yeah.
but it's
Try
like
to hit that one.
I like something like how the heck did they find out that it was doing that? Like, I mean, it's like
Without dislocating your shoulders, try hitting a spin.
You
Yeah.
mean the ball that is going back when it lands?
Ooh.
exactly. So, but
Like,
like the one I'm talking about in the air, it does like a weird back curve. Like
Like a
You know
fade?
that Zach, when they're hitting it, like when you're on the PGA course, you can't see the hole,
Yeah,
and
it's a
then
fade.
the hole is on the right at the curve, and they're able to hit it where they're hitting it at like a 300, 400, and at the end it just curves out of view, and you're like, what?
like the way I see the shot first time, like that shot, the way I saw it was in the news. Sorry, not in the news, like it was in like in the sport, like
A
the
highlight.
channel. They were highlighting like, oh, this is a hit that took this guy I don't know how many years to
To perfect.
yeah, and it's like and I was how
And,
did they do
they
that?
McElroy has one.
they place their feet like usually you place them straight, like
Mhm.
the tip of your feet straight. When
A
you
what?
Put the
The feet
like the
straight.
tip
so
of your
it's-
feet
Okay.
needs to be straight for a straight shot. Let's say.
Okay.
But when you put your back foot further back, you start doing a fade. So let's say I'm on the left side, it will go left. My shot will go left a bit. And if I put my back foot,
To the front.
like further in the front than my front foot, it will go to the right.
Huh.
Like,
Yes.
and they're able to control their face too, to put spin in it, to go way more on one side or the other.
Like it's almost like it did like almost a 25% boomerang.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
It
that
was
was about what I
incredible.
saw.
Me too.
I already I was blocked by a tree one time, and I did that trick with the feet, and it curves around the tree. Like, it was perfect.
Freaking
Now
nice.
that's the one that you get up and you, woohoo.
But the most addicting shot is when you are at 100, 110 yards from the pin, and you hit your wedge, and you land like 2 feet from the cup.
Oh God.
That's when you say, okay, I'm gonna play golf.
You're gonna what?
You gotta
Okay, I'm gonna play golf my whole life.
Yeah, I've got a cousin that's a second cousin actually. It's Joe's family. He's pro, and he travels a lot to everywhere and tournaments and whatnot. And no, he's not in shape.
Donna is not in shape.
He makes Donald look like a Tiger Woods.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, not in shape at all. But he's a pro, and obviously he never broke through. But yeah,
He must
plays
be far
big
because-
tournaments. Plays big tournaments.
Did you say Zach?
If he is heavy, he must hit the ball far.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
That's one.
Apparently, yeah, very long drive.
Actually, my wedges are my best clubs right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Ugh. Me, I'm
starting to
always
get
that's.
my drive back.
Oh, I got a hole in one in a tournament.
You got it on that one?
Yeah.
Oh,
It was. I think it was my first game on my. I think it was on 06, and you were if and anyways, yeah, I got a whole. I won a prize. That was cool.
you know, some people never get an all-in-one in their life.
Yeah, on my first game, people started to rub me everywhere on the court. You're good luck. I'm going. No. I'm not a rabbit's foot. Stay away. It was only a par 3 though, but still, I thought it was lucky.
Yeah.
That was the universe telling you something. So
Yeah, play golf.
didn't you keep going? You didn't keep going, eh?
No.
Man.
No. I like driving the car a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everybody knew. That was something. That was a condition because I didn't like playing golf. And my bosses, I always said, if I play golf, I drive the cart. Nobody's allowed to drive the cart except me on my team. Okay.
Well, golf is like one of the sports. The more you play, doesn't mean that you get better.
No.
It's crazy. Like,
Oh, it's incredible. Like when I was, because that's how I learned. I really was paying attention because I knew diddly squat. And what they tell you, well, positioning of the hands, positioning of the feet, your swing, hold your club here, look there. And it was insane how much I was improving in very little time because I was, like, when I say improve, let's put everything in check there because I was really bad. But incredible how those, like you said, the feet, the position, the back, the line, the locking your arms, everything. It was incredible.
How you feel your back next day?
Oh yeah.
So I remember when I just went to the drive. I had one to the drive with Zach.
Yes.
Like, a couple times. And every time that I have one there, like the second day, it's like, oof, I did a workout on my back yesterday.
like one of my best game of the year was was my first game. So
Was
It
what?
was your first game?
it was my first game of the year.
Like when?
It wasn't the best, but it was like the second best. I lost like one ball the whole thing. My drive was going good.
That is so cool.
I played in a tournament like last week.
Oh, okay, a job tournament?
No, it was my whole hockey team.
Oh
I was
wow.
doing a tournament for their season, but I wasn't in the team at that point. But they
They
picked one player, and my friend was playing, so they matched me with my friend.
That is so
But we
cool.
played. Like my friend, he was saying it, but it wasn't his game. And we played 79. It was pretty damn good.
Wow. You
I
don't play
think I
games.
missed one wet shot. The whole,
Oh, wow. That's impressive. You don't play when it's super hot, though?
that day was super hot.
Uh,
It was 35.
yeah, that's the only thing. On a golf course, there's not a whole lot of shade.
We had carts.
If you play well.
Yeah.
If you don't play well, you're in the shade all the time. But I mean, if you play well, you're not supposed to be in the shade.
Yeah, like I see the one that is beside Walmart there, it has a lot of trees.
Yeah, but it's in the like the rough.
You mean
brush.
Maloney one?
Yeah, exactly, the one that you are going to.
Yeah, it's but
It's
the
in
one
the-
I went yesterday at Mont Cascade,
Mm-hmm.
they have a lot of wood compared to Tecumseh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they have more? Okay.
Yeah, Tecumseh is pretty open.
Yeah, maybe the woods is only like around the edge.
Hmm. Yeah. But the Mont Cascade, the greens are so hard to putt. It's crazy.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's crazy.
They're in a bowl.
They're more like the pin is on a higher point of the green. So
Oh
if you miss the pin, you roll down the green.
Oh,
Like,
I hate those.
hmm
Yeah, Davey,
You
you'll
guys
have to
have
go
a
play a game
position?
with Zach and
Yeah,
see
one
how
day.
you are technical.
One day.
Because I think you'd enjoy it. The technical aspect of it.
Just that, like, whenever I go and play, like it's gonna be on a time that I'm gonna make sure I have more time to go again if I want to go. Because I don't wanna go now and play and like, oh, I like it, and then oh, I don't have time to play this thing, so
Well, yeah. Oh, I like it, but then it becomes a hey, next time might be in 6 months or 3 months or.
yeah, that's too long.
It's like pickleball. You like pickleball, but you can't play it every weekend. You like biking, but you can't do it every day. There's a lot of things you like.
Yeah, I know, but that's like the way I look at that in my head is a little bit like open front, so that needs to be addressed. Like for example, the bike. Like I have like very long time that I don't go do my bicycle. I have been doing walks, but yeah, I have to go bike before it get too cold again. But that's what I mean, like because I am like I have little time. It's like I haven't organized that properly. So every time that I want to go bike, or that I think about it, it's oh, I didn't plan it correctly. I have to wait. So if you add pickleball to the same equation, and then it's like,
Oh,
if you exactly that's what I mean. If you add golf, it's gonna be like more things that I like to do that I don't do because of a lack of time.
Yeah, our neighbor in front,
Mm-hmm.
he plays golf. Not so. Like he plays in the morning before going to work.
Hi, Papi.
He'll play a couple of holes, I'm sure, before going to work. In the evening, he gets home at 6, 7 o'clock and with his golf bag, so he stops on the way back from work to stop and plays again some holes. Like obsessed with golf.
That's something too. Like I see that some people go very early. Like my neighbor casual, like in this by luck is the same. Like it's not the same neighbor as my neighbor actually. But like I just wake up like one weekend and like I went to clean up Vladdy's car and things like that. and he was arriving, and he said, "Oh, I just play." I think it was a 9-hole too, but like he say, I wake up at 5 and to be
Yep.
there with on time and blah
And
blah
then
blah.
you go to work.
Because they only had time like or very early in the morning or very late at the day, so they pick the morning.
Yeah, because there's tournaments in the day.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I had that problem too.
So let's hope the weather stay nice for a little bit like that. When you go so early or so late, you don't have problem with that because like today this morning it was cold. Like I mean, not cold to complain, but it was cold.
To play golf, though, I think you'd rather have
A little bit warmy.
12 to 15 than a 35. Then you just drink a lot.
Yeah, that's something he told me that they were drinking beers while they were playing.
Why it's so hot?
Beer for breakfast.
It's so hot. Look at Spy again.
Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna wrap it up there.
Yeah,
I have to
good
go on
idea.
there editing,
We're getting caught up in our
yeah,
convo.
yeah. So yeah, for anybody watching, like that's it for me. Like I did poorly today. Um, like I like first I was like still have a trade that can work. We're gonna see if it works or not. But like basically what I'm saying here in general is like I went short here on Nvidia because the volume wasn't there at that time. But then the volumes kick in, and I said, you know what? Like I might be wrong, so I got out at even below my entry. Maybe I did little profit there, but like it was insignificant. So then I went along here, and I add more here, expecting this to break through, and it never did it. Like I just it's not. It was just looking like very chopped up. It lasted a long time there, and then it went down, and I got out of break even here. Not break even, but with very little lost. So and then I reshorted around here, expecting this to go even lower, and now it's trying to make higher highs. But the reason how I believe in the trade is in the short here, and that's why I'm holding. Like I might be wrong. I have been off, as I say, for a little bit. But SPY is not looking good. Anything else is looking that good. Like I mean, with the exception of Tesla, that is really pumping up. So, like with the type of volume that Nvidia had previously, if it didn't went up, like I say, like what else are you asking for you to go up? Like you have very nice buying going on here, very nice pop at the open. So that's why I turned it into a bearish setup after. In my idea. So instead of going long from here, like, and this is something I'm gonna be more careful with later on. Like, this is the range. In this range, I was, as I say, going long here, expecting it to break toward the high. But if you look at the volume here, like, It has high volume in both things, which is okay for the long there yet, as I say, but it lasts so long in their trap that it never broke, and like it's due to the choppiness of the market. But why did it sell off like that? Somebody lost its patience very fast here, and while Tesla was able to hold, Nvidia didn't. So I'm expecting more selling probably during the afternoon, and let's see if that's gonna be correct or not. But probably that's gonna be my last trade for the day. I'm gonna hold it for the day with the stop loss there, and either red or green, I'm gonna kill it at the end of the day if you haven't got me out. So that's for
Okay.
Nvidia. For PLTR, what I did wrong was flipping my head around. Like basically, I went short here, and I was short because of the same reason. The volume wasn't there. The volume never kicking in Nvidia on PLTR until this starts selling off very heavy. So this is a very annoying push that he did at the open, because like, but as I say, it has to be understandable. And like it is understandable the fact that he pushed back up because of where all the stock were opening and where the indexes were and all those things. So then I went long here after I decided, oh, you know what, I don't want to go short. I went long here, he got me out, that's a loss. Then I went long again, he got me out, that was another loss. And then in this part here, it really pushed up, like in the 5 minute, he did a very beautiful engulfing candle. Like let's go in the 5 minute here, like yeah. So because of this big engulfing candle here, I decided to go long at 174, or 174 or 173.80, I think it was. And then he got me out, and then he moved again in my favor. But like the same thing, this thing keep validating to be a short because of the volume. Look at the ramping volume that we have here. When it happened, when we were falling down, then buyers step in. Look at the volume for the buyers. Look again at the volume for the buyers. So this could work, but I don't think it's gonna work to the long. So I'm not holding any moving average. This is
What about the tape?
400, 200, VWAP, 50, and 20. We are below all those, and all of them are aligned. Yeah, the tape on that guy, the tape on PLTR. And that's where I got confused. It was because of the tape that I got confused on Nvidia, on PLTR, because PLTR had a couple big lot at the ask, like they were looking like that. So I say, oh, we have decent volume in between to go through, but it never went through then. So yeah, so the tape right now looking very nimble, but as I say, if I have to bet in there, I will bet toward the downside. Because of where the indexes are. So that's it for today. Up to now, red day. It can be a green day, but like Nvidia will have to do a lot for it to be a green day for me. So let's see. So what about you, Marie? What did you trade?
So I still have BBAI. So I took Wolf. I traded Wolf badly. I did not take any partial. So I went in long at Wolf at the PCL. I got out at 1590. No, wait, 1565. It reversed there, but did a lower low at 1555. When it crossed the VWAP, I said, oh, I like the, crossing the PCL, crossing the VWAP. I took it at 16. And then it got me at my stop loss. I was looking at BBAI. I should stick to one or two trades. At one point I had 3 or 4 populated because I put my orders there. So I traded it. I didn't trade that well because I should have taken a partial at 16.35 and then added when it pulled back, and then take another partial when it popped back up. But no, I traded that one not very good. Then I've got INTC. So INTC, I had an order at 23.90. I got my order at 23.90. I did not take a partial when it popped up at 24.25. I did add it when it pulled back at 23.95. I added again at 23.85, and then I got out break even there.
And then you pop.
And then it popped like not so, but even with the pop that I had in between, I wasn't taking my partials. So again, way too distracted. And now I've got Wolf. I got it at 10 for Wolf, and which obviously is a good price there. That was a support price. It's been a support for this morning. So I got it at 10, and we'll see what it's going to do there. And I still have BBAI. I was able to improve my price. Like I said, I had it at 6.98. I'm holding a position now at 6.11. I'd like it to be better than that, but hey, 6.11 is a whole lot better than what it was before. And I'm hoping it's going to retest the PCL. It's not at the VWAP yet. We do have a lot of participation to the offer, so I'm hoping that my two last trades, that's Wolf and BBAI, will be printing for me.
Nice.
Yeah. But way too involved today. Way
Yeah.
too many orders. They popped up at all the same. SPY was way too rangy, and I did too much today on my trading.
Yeah, like I'm probably gonna add like a statement to, like, let's say it's like a checklist for a spider, because it's quite obvious, but it is not like that every day. So, but today we were able to know before the open that it was going to be difficult. Like when I'm saying difficult, I say for a spy, I say it was going to be difficult to take a direction, but like this is something that is quite predictable for the way we are looking at those things. So maybe worse to have a checklist. Oh, is a spy like this today, or are the indexes in general like this today?
Well, it's weird, right? Because we had them, right? Those two lines, 642.50 and 643.90.
Yeah, but like what I'm saying is, like, did I trade like
Was your strategy directional, or was it ranging? Exactly, that's what you mean.
did I adjust to the conditions? The real answer to that is
Yeah,
yes,
and
no.
that's exactly what I mean with mine, right? Instead of taking, I knew it was rangy, and instead of taking it there at the top, a partial at the top, adding at the bottom, I just broke even, which is kill me now. Like, really.
Yeah.
I agree.
Okay, cool. So, Zach, what about you?
For me, like I said before 10 was pretty bad.
Okay.
The TLTR good. Were really choppy, everything. So. And then after 10, I traded IBIT, and it worked pretty well. So IBIT long, partial add,
Look at that thing.
take everything off.
Oh,
IBIT short, and on the short I was break even. I took break even, then it pumped higher.
So you were able to give the profit on IBIT.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yeah, like
good job. Good discipline.
almost 4 hours.
Pretty cool.
The whole trade on IBIT.
Pretty cool stuff. So, Bull, did you do anything after with Bull?
Yeah, I went short on Bull when I was at 16.08.
Mm-hmm.
Then he got me out the next candle, and then
Yeah, I remember Marie, I think, won long at that time.
took out choppy, like
Yep. Right, it just kept in the range.
Yeah,
the
they're
opening
tracking
price and the VWAP and
in
the
between our
PCL,
two prices.
pretty much almost like SPY.
Yeah. So, cool. Okay, so, yeah, that's gonna be everything for today, people, and we're gonna be here tomorrow. Let's see. I'm gonna I'm gonna put an alarm for the Jackson Hole meetings, just to make sure that we are aware of that. Because as I say, like, I remember last year there were a couple of jumps during those things that I kind of didn't like.
Yeah.
So we don't want to get killed by volatility that we can expect. So or that we are expecting to hit, and then we just forget it.
Well said.
So I hope everybody have a good day, and we're gonna be here tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody. Bye.
Bye.